Today I'm going to show you how to quickly build a quiz form in WordPress using JetFormBuilder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a custom quiz form for your website, something that collects answers, engages your visitors, and can be reused or customized however you need. This is a fantastic tool for teachers, coaches, small businesses, or really anyone who wants to spruce up their website with interactive quizzes. Let's jump right in. First, before anything else, make sure you have the JetFormBuilder plugin added to your WordPress site. This is essential. JetFormBuilder is what we're going to use to design and power our quiz form. If you haven't installed it yet, just open your WordPress dashboard, head to the Plugins section, click Add New, and search for JetFormBuilder. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate. This step matters because without the plugin, none of the quiz building features we need will be available. Think of this like laying the foundation before you build a house, absolutely necessary. Now with JetFormBuilder ready to go, look for the JetForm option in your WordPress dashboard. You'll see a menu pop up, click on Add New Form. Don't worry if this screen looks a bit empty at first. You're about to fill it with your own interactive content. Here, where things get exciting. Inside JetFormBuilder, there's actually an AI form generator. And yes, it'll save you tons of time compared to building your quiz from scratch. So find and click the AI form generator button. This intelligent tool helps you create forms just by describing what you want. For example, if you're a math teacher, you might type, quiz with 5 multiple-choice questions about fractions. Or maybe you're onboarding new clients and need a satisfaction quiz, just type your instructions in plain language. Take a moment here. When writing your quiz description, be as clear as possible about how many questions you want, what type of questions, and anything else that's important. The AI will do its best to translate your instructions into real, working quiz fields. Hit the Generate button and let the magic happen. This part might take a few moments as the AI processes your request, so don't worry if it's not instant. You'll see the form appear in the editor, and if you need changes or tweaks, maybe you want to change a question, add options, or adjust the wording, you can easily edit any part of the form before you finish. Now, before you leave the page, take a look at the customization options. JetFormBuilder lets you tweak the fields, adjust the layout, or even add some logic like showing certain questions only if earlier ones are answered a certain way. If you're happy with the quiz as it is, you're ready for the final step. But remember, making small adjustments now can really help your quiz fit your website's vibe and your audience's needs. When everything looks just right, click Publish. That's it, your quiz form is live and ready to use. You can embed it anywhere you like using the provided shortcode or link it directly for your visitors. It's incredible how quickly you can create something interactive that helps you collect feedback, assess skills, or just entertain your users. And there you go, you just built a quiz form in WordPress using JetFormBuilder's AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips just like this. If you have any questions, or if you ran into any hiccups along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.